Yesterday we told you how Sangeet Som, the BJP MLA who was one of the prime accused in the Muzaffarnagar riot case, has got Z category security. But today, when questioned by Times Now, he remained completely evasive, refusing to answer even one straight question. At the BJP office, he came to meet the BJP president but refused to answer any question on why he is being given Z category security.
संगीत जी, so your security has been increased to Z grade.
ये काम प्रवक्ताओं का है।
नहीं सर, बट सिक्योरिटी आपकी इंक्रीज हुई है। सब सिक्योरिटी आपकी इंक्रीज हुई है सर।
जरूरत क्या
सर, आपके बाद सर राणा जी भी मांग रहे हैं सिक्योरिटी। सर, बोथ ऑफ यू वर नेम्ड इन द मुजफ्फरनगर। सर, यू हैव ऑलवेज स्पोकन टू द मीडिया। नहीं संगीत जी बोलिए। संगीत जी, सर योर सिक्योरिटी हैज बीन इंक्रीज। Sir, but had you demanded, but right after you even, Mr. Rana is demanding for an excessive security. Mr. Som, sir, you are an elected representative. You should answer, isn't it? Sangeet ji, sir, your security has been increased. Do you feel that it was required? Sangeet ji, just one answer, sir. Sir, do you feel that आपकी security जो बढ़ी, उसकी ज़रूरत थी security बढ़ाने की? तो security बढ़ी sir, सिर्फ एक आपकी सिक्योरिटी बढ़ाने की ज़रूरत थी। आपको लगता है आपके पास वाई ग्रेड थी पहले से ही, और अब आपका देखा देखी राणा जी भी मांग रहे हैं, सुरेश राणा भी बोल रहे हैं कि मेरे को जेड सिक्योरिटी दीजिए।
सर, कुछ तो रिएक्शन दीजिए।
Aishwarya, who tried to question Sangeet Som, now joins us on the phone line. If there is such a great threat to his life, Aishwarya, which would lead to him getting Z category security, why isn't he talking about the details of that threat?
Well, he completely evaded Times Now today, and for that matter, when we question him, that it's not only him. Right after him being granted Z security, now another BJP MLA who's also riot monger, Suresh Rana, also openly demanding Z security. He decided to be mum on this issue. What we are being told that this has become nothing more than an ego issue for both of these MLAs, because both of them there is an internal rather competition between these leaders as well, and that is exactly why we are seeing Suresh Rana, who already has Y grade security being given by the UP state, is now demanding Z grade security. But at the same point of time, Sangeet Som today decided to completely evade Times Now questions when we asked him that does he really require Z security, because he already has what do we call it, a Y grade cover, which involves at least 8 gunned police personnel to be moving around him at one point of time. Then what was the need of Z security? But he completely decided to evade those questions, and now Suresh Rana also demanding this. This is something which the Samajwadi Party says is nothing more than a political gimmick, which is being played by the BJP MLA's office in UP.
Okay, Aishwarya, there seems to be something wrong with that audio line we have with you. We'll try and fix it. But in the meantime, let's listen in again to how Sangeet Som completely evaded the simple questions asked to him by Times Now. Why does he need Z category security? What is the nature of the threat to his life?
संगीत जी, so your security has been increased to Z grade.
ये काम प्रवक्ताओं का है।
नहीं सर, बट सिक्योरिटी आपकी इंक्रीज हुई है। सब सिक्योरिटी आपकी इंक्रीज हुई है सर।
जरूरत क्या
सर, आपके बाद सर राणा जी भी मांग रहे हैं सिक्योरिटी। सर, बोथ ऑफ यू वर नेम्ड इन द मुजफ्फरनगर। सर, यू हैव ऑलवेज स्पोकन टू द मीडिया। नहीं संगीत जी बोलिए। संगीत जी, सर योर सिक्योरिटी हैज बीन इंक्रीज। Sir, but had you demanded, but right after you even, Mr. Rana is demanding for an excessive security. Mr. Som, sir, you are an elected representative. You should answer, isn't it? Sangeet ji, sir, your security has been increased. Do you feel that it was required? Sangeet ji, just one answer, sir. Sir, do you feel that आपकी security जो बढ़ी, उसकी ज़रूरत थी security बढ़ाने की? तो security बढ़ी sir, सिर्फ एक आपकी सिक्योरिटी बढ़ाने की ज़रूरत थी। आपको लगता है आपके पास वाई ग्रेड थी पहले से ही, और अब आपका देखा देखी राणा जी भी मांग रहे हैं, सुरेश राणा भी बोल रहे हैं कि मेरे को जेड सिक्योरिटी दीजिए।